How to view the card number on Google Play. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and today I will show you how you can view the card number on Google Pay. Google Pay is simply a digital method of payment. You can simply say it on Google Chrome or on your browser. So to know the number of your Google Pay, what you can simply do is go on the Google Play Store of your phone. After you go on the Google Play Store on your phone, on the top search bar you can simply search for Google Pay. And now just install the latest version of it, and after you install it and then you have all this application on your device, what you can do is simply open the Google Pay app on your phone. After that you should sign in with required information of Google Pay, and after that you can go on the card section tab, go to the card tab, and then you will see all the cards that you have already added on the Google Pay. Just tap on the card that you want to see the all information of. After tapping on that one Google Pay card, you will see all the informations available in that certain Google account. So this is how you see the card number and all the information of any Google Pay. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe and comment on our comment section below.